Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to glow text effect in CapCut PC. So first, for example, I'm going to select the black screen and select text, default text, and change for the text and the duration. Alright, change for the font color and font style. So you can scroll down the basic option. You can find the glow option, just turn on and select the color and then adjust for intensity and range. So that's it. So I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please let in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.